Okay, so hello, welcome back. And what I'm going to be showing you today is this, which is a Powerex power supply, which is from Korea, yeah. And this thing, let me tell you what's the story behind this. So I'm actually using this thing as a power supply for my main PC, but the thing is that my main PC suddenly decided to like only run for a few minutes, then like the old Armageddon one, or like the whatever the heck you call that thing, yeah, I forgot. But the old power supply, the 220-watt one, which was obviously shit, that thing, uh, it let the PC run for like 10 minutes and cut off, and only the PC would die. But in this case, this thing has something that'll short the whole house. I mean, the whole like breaker system, which is the second floor of my house. Now, I'm not sure if it's in the PSU or if it's in some other part. So then I cleaned the whole thing. That's why you can see my mobile is like shiny as heck, and everything is in pieces right now. So then I lifted this thing up and I heard this. See? It has something inside there. So today I'm gonna go open this PSU up to take the thing inside there. Hopefully it's not a screw. I mean, hopefully it is a screw, so I think it's actually shorted. Like, it only shorts sometimes when I'm not really using it and suddenly shorts. And the thing is, this thing is beside my woofer, so because the woofer has this huge like membrane that like vibrates a lot, that thing might have like jostled the screw around and suddenly managed to get the screw somewhere that I should not have a screw in, like bridging two terminals, yeah. So that's why I'm gonna open this PSU up. Hopefully it doesn't end up too disgusting, because this is my work table and I do not want my table to be too disgusting. So these things are non-detachable 600-watt Powerex power supply, no 80 plus rating. So this is not a very expensive power supply, but it does only jump up and down like 0.0 something volts, which is pretty good for my standards at least, yeah. And also the fact that I'm using a Ryzen 3, what's this, 2200G, that thing doesn't take a lot of juice, so should be more than okay. I'm gonna be taking the seal off essentially, yeah, because like who the heck would like to put seals on, man? It's bullshit. Okay. Okay, cutting that seal off. Now this thing's already obviously out of warranty, but I mean, if I have to buy a power supply every few months, I'd be broke, man. So let's see what I can do with this guy. Let's peel this up and away from the screw, yeah. Oh god, shit. These things always have to be fragile, because if they're not fragile, then you'll easily fool these things. Let's continue cutting this guy open. I think I can actually like sort of wedge this thing up. There you go, nice. In this way you can like take the insides and pull them out. So it's better to not have the warranty sticker at all than have a warranty sticker, because then people will know that you've opened this thing up. So seems like everything's clean. Okay, so if I want to sell this thing, I'm gonna remove the whole thing, but since I'm still using this thing, I'm not gonna do it. My G7X has a near dead battery, so I'm gonna just charge that thing later, yeah. Hopefully it doesn't die while I'm shooting. And I might actually move over to the Osmo bucket, yeah, if I actually run out of battery on this guy, so you can actually see what quality it has. So let's push this stuff away. Let's take a small cup. Do I have any extra cups? I have one. Take this guy out. This one. This one. And this one. So after this, I think the whole thing should just like lift off. I think maybe, hopefully, yes. Please. I think the fan assembly is sort of like holding it in, maybe. Maybe the side's gone. Not sure. This. It's coming out on this side. Okay, now it has this fan connector, which is not very long. I think at least, yeah, it's not very long. So, oh, it's long enough to open up, okay. And so, what was dangling around in there? Let's see. And there's this like plastic bit which is blocking the fan. So I'm not sure what the heck that thing's for. What's wobbling around? Let's see. Nothing. The heck? So nothing was wobbling around inside here for some odd reason there. And this, why was it not open? Also the air goes through here. Okay, that's pretty smart, yeah. Going like this plastic shroud. If nothing is shorting here, what can be the problem? This thing was just powered on a few hours ago, so I'm not gonna stick my fingers anywhere I want, because that'd be dangerous and I could die, so I'm not gonna do that. But to be honest, this is pretty good. Nothing seems to be like damaged in any way. These things are also flat. Those things are flat. Honestly, everything seems good. Nothing seems to be shorted. So yeah, this is the insides of a Powerex 600 watt power supply from Korea. So yeah, hopefully you like the video. It's not very useful because you can't really see anything, but at least you know how it looks and how. And this thing actually weighs a lot. I think of these two heat sinks, not like the other one that I opened up. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this third down. If it still has something rattling inside, I'm gonna. Okay, it doesn't have anything rattling inside. Maybe something fell out, or just it wasn't like tight enough. So yeah, thank you for watching and goodbye.